classroom videos for your students. Okay, the first thing we need to do is to download Camtasia 9. So what you'll do is go to your folders and look under RLC apps, the in drive, and then you'll just double click on the folder that says Camtasia 9 and go ahead and double click on the program file Camtasia version 9. Once this pops up, you'll go ahead and click run, and then you'll go through the installation process for Camtasia version 9. Okay, next you'll need to enter the key code for the Camtasia software. To find that, you just go onto eCampus, sign in, and then click on the Community tab, and then go to RLC Faculty Resources. From there, you'll just click on Camtasia Video Software, and then you'll see the Camtasia license key in that tab. Okay, now that you have Camtasia Volume 9, let's open up the software and learn how to record the screen using Camtasia. Okay, let's start a new project in Camtasia. Then you can choose Record in Camtasia to start a screen recording. There are many different settings that you can select when you're doing a screen recording, but the easiest is just to do full screen without a camera and then use the microphone that's built in to your computer. If you want to do more high quality video, or if you want to have your face on the screen as well, you'll have to get an extra camera, and then you might want to get a better microphone than the built-in microphone. But for now, we can just keep the kind of standard settings and then just click record, and you'll start recording the screen so that the students can see what you're doing on screen in the video. Another really helpful way to make a screen recording is directly in PowerPoint. If you have the latest version of PowerPoint and the latest version of Camtasia, you can just open a PowerPoint presentation and then go to add-ins. You'll see these different tabs at the top. Go to add-ins, and with the new version of Camtasia, you should automatically have this add-in that's a recording of the PowerPoint. So you can just click on record, and then you can choose to record the PowerPoint. If you have an internal microphone, you can just kind of speak through the PowerPoint and create a video that way. So you just click to begin the recording, and then you'll start your video recording of the PowerPoint. Okay, now let's talk about how to make some basic edits using the Camtasia 9 software. So go ahead and open Camtasia. If you have made some recordings, you'll see them here. And what you can do now is you can just drag the video into your tracks, and you'll see the video will be there. You'll see a preview in this big screen of the video, and then you can make your edits from there. The other thing I like to do is to create some kind of introduction. What you can do is use media that's already there. So you click up here on the library, and you will see some different backgrounds and different graphics. Let's just try one of these intro clips where it says motion graphics intro clips. You can preview them just by double clicking, and you have some different introductions. Let's just use the first one. So you can just drag that in, and now we have an introduction. So let's preview that. Looks pretty good. But now what we want to do is change the text on that preview, or on that introduction. So open up this bar by clicking the plus sign, and then you'll see 3 pieces of text there, and we'll edit each one. Okay, now you can go back to your media bin, and you can click and drag each of the videos or any audio clips or any pictures. Another thing you can do if you want to is to export your PowerPoint files as JPEG pictures, and then you could put them into this media bin, and you can put them each in one by one. But like I said, I think the easiest way is to just use PowerPoint and then use that add-in that Camtasia 9 has to just record the whole PowerPoint and then come over here and make any small edits as you need. If you have multiple videos, the one that is on top is the one that will be seen. So just note that. The other thing you can do is separate the video and the audio, but that's a little bit more advanced editing. For now, let's just kind of put some videos side by side and see what happens. Alright, so those are some of the basics of Camtasia version 9. Let me know if you have any questions. I would be happy to help you and help you develop some awesome videos for your classroom. Thanks!